Okay, I was the previous video was a budget component, and we saw that you could set a budget for the year or for the month. All right, let me get to. I think I already showed the category components. You can create categories, different categories under which you'll be recording your transactions. All right, now get to the transaction component. This is actually the component that you'll be using each day to record your entries. I can add a transaction. Of course, I can select if it's an income transaction or an expense transaction. You enter the amount, let me say for example 5,000. You select the dates, if it's today, select this date. Then I select the category. So I take drinks, description. You can say from blah 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 blah. Reference will then be alright, so I save. And my transaction can come back and edit or delete at any time. You see. So I can also add an expense, maybe 2,300. And I select the category, maybe electricity. Anything, and I save. So I can record as many transactions as possible. Okay, let me get the settings component. Before I go to the last component, which will be the reports components. Here I can set, because the clients requested that reports should be given in different currencies: France, CFA, Euro, dollar. So I can do the conversion. Since it was a text application, it was not a web application. That the conversion could be done or could be affected automatically. Since it was a text application, pure text application, I decided to put a place there where the clients can do his conversions. So if, for example, $1 is 600 francs CFA, you can put it here. If €1 is equals to 655 francs, you can do this. So once you put any value here, everything is saved. So here I can also have the user management. I can create, I can add a user, I can manage users here. So when I do all of this, I can then go to my reports component. This is where I can now generate my reports. I can generate reports for transactions, for budgets, for categories. I can decide on generate reports. And when I generate executive reports, it gives all the details needed. I can also generate to Excel or export to Excel or to PDF. So let me just, for example, export transactions report for executive. You see, I can save it somewhere. I can save. I save. So that's basically what the clients asked for, and this is the only standalone accounting application I've worked on. I've also integrated accounting components in other applications, but not standalone or not full accounting applications. Like there's a school management system there's an accounting component that manages all the school fees of students, everything, payment of fees, e-balance, receipt generation, everything. Also manages also has the inventory components there that manages all the equipments of the school. So also works on that application that is currently being used by a school, and those accounting components are also added there. But for a standalone accounting application, this is the only one so far I worked on. Alright, so thank you. I hope the video is clear.